Hey guys, don't worry, I'm here to help you to fix this problem with the step-by-step perfect solution. So let's begin.
Now we need to click on advanced options, then click on troubleshoot. Now click on advanced options, and at the last we need to click on command prompt. Type chkdsk /f/r and hit enter to execute the command. Now wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Now we need to type this command and simply press enter. Now type cd space // and hit enter to execute the command. Type cd space Windows and simply hit enter to execute the command. Then type cd space system32 and hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space config and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command carefully. Type in md space backup and simply hit enter to execute it. Now execute this command. Type copy space ** space backup and simply hit enter. Now type md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Once we are here, we need to execute this command. Type copy space ** space backup1 and then press enter from your keyboard to execute this command. Type in cd space regback, then simply hit enter. Now type dir and hit enter. Now type copy space ** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type in bootrec /fixboot and hit enter. Now type in cd space // and simply hit enter to execute the command. Let's execute this command. Type cd space Windows /system32 /config regback, then simply we need to hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type bcd edit space /export space c : /bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Then move to the next one. Now type cd space c : and hit enter. Now type this command md space boot and simply hit enter. Now type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space c : and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type attrib space c : \boot \bcd space -h space -r space -s and simply hit enter. Type in ren c : \boot \bcd bcd.old and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and simply hit enter. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue.
it will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.